So what is up people, welcome back to my channel Dr. Crazy Science. So today in this video I'll be doing a complete beginner's guide on the new Signal Messenger app. So let's get started. Once you're done downloading the app, go ahead and open it. So you'll be prompted with some on-screen instructions. Go ahead and do that and let's meet in the other side. So once you're done verifying the app and adding your name, go ahead and create a PIN to keep your Signal informations safely with you. So once you do everything successfully, you will be in the Signal app's home screen. I'm gonna first show you some basic settings. So you have to click on the icon on the top left corner and you will be able to see some options. I'll be just showing these to you briefly and I'll be doing a detailed guide in the near future. So first up we have SMS and MMS. Second we have notifications. You can change whatever notification options you want. Third we have privacy. There are some features like screen lock and many other features. You can check them to yourself. And then we have appearance. You can change the theme or the language. And next we have chats and media. So some useful options are also over here, so do check them out. And then we have storage. And then link devices. And finally we have the advanced section. Here you can go to advanced pin settings and you can disable the pin if you want, or else you can also delete your account if you wish to. So yeah, let's see the main features of the app. So once you're on the home screen, select the blue color pen mark and then select the chat who you want to message and then send a message. As you can see, I have received the message in the second phone and it works perfectly fine. Let me just try typing some more messages and let's see. You can also use emojis, stickers and many other features just like WhatsApp. Let's go one by one. So when you click on the tiny face button in the chat bar, and you can access various number of emojis. And over here when you click on this small paper button, you can open the sticker section and you can try them out. They have some really cool and funny stickers to use. And for iOS users, you can access the stickers and emojis by clicking on the little face icon on your next to your spacebar, and there are some plenty amount of emojis to choose. And to access stickers, go ahead by the same way and then click on the sticker icon in the chat bar, and then you can get some really cool stickers too. And talking about sending files, contacts or any other thing, yes, you can do it. Click on the plus icon and then click on give access and allow. After that you can see some recent images of yours. You can either directly send or you can choose whether you want to send in the gallery option or file option or contact or location or whatever you want. And then you have the camera and a voice message option too. So clicking on it and clicking continue, and by allowing it, you can be able to send the voice message to your friends and family. And to cancel, you just swipe left, or to lock, you just swipe up. So these are the basics on both Android and iOS. And finally, coming up to the most awaited feature, it's gonna be the call. So to access it, just go tap on the call icon and then you can make a call instantly. So there's option for video call and a voice call separately. So as you can see in the second phone, I'm receiving the call, and let's just hang it up. And you can also access some main options by clicking on the three dot on the top right corner, and you will be able to see various settings. So that's the end for today's video, and if you loved it, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and as always, see you guys in the next one.